Tired of wasting time formatting every OneNote page? Learn how to apply built-in templates in under 2 minutes. You know the feeling. You open a fresh page in OneNote and it's just a blank white canvas. So you start manually adding headers, changing fonts, drawing lines, adjusting colors, and before you know it, 10 minutes have gone by and you haven't actually written anything yet. I've been there too. But here's the good news. You don't have to do any of that. OneNote comes with a whole library of ready-made templates that do all that formatting for you. So let me show you exactly where to find them and how to apply them with just a few clicks. To start, open up OneNote and navigate to the blank page where you want your new template. Now look up at the top of the screen at the ribbon. That's the row of tabs that says Home, Insert, Draw, and so on. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab. And this is where the magic starts. The Insert tab is basically the hub for bringing things into your notes, like pictures, tables, links, and yes, templates. So you're already in the right place. From there, look a little to the right on that same ribbon, and you'll see a button that says Page Templates. Click that button. Now a small drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Page Templates from that menu. It might seem like just another option in a list, but trust me, this is the doorway to everything you're looking for. Once you click that, notice that a sidebar slides open from the right side of your screen. This is the Templates sidebar. It might look simple, but this little panel is packed with options. And here's the really important part. This sidebar is where you'll do all your browsing. You don't have to go hunting through menus or settings anymore. Everything is right here in front of you. So now take a look inside that sidebar. You'll see a list of category names, each with a small arrow next to it. Those arrows mean there's more to see. Go ahead and click the arrow next to any category that sounds useful. Business, academic, decorative, pick whichever fits what you're working on. And when you expand it, you'll see a whole list of template names appear underneath. It's like opening a drawer full of perfectly formatted pages. Now for the final step, and this one is almost too easy. Just scroll through the list in your chosen category, find the template that looks right, and click its name. As soon as you click it, that template instantly applies to your blank page. The headers, the layout, the colors, everything shows up immediately. You don't have to save it, you don't have to confirm it, it just happens. From a completely blank page to a professional, structured layout in about 1 second. So that's it. Next time you start a new page in OneNote, you don't have to start from scratch. Just pop over to the Insert tab, open the Templates sidebar, pick a category, and click. You'll have a beautiful formatted page ready to go before you even finish your first sentence. This is the kind of workflow we love teaching here at AI Mastery. Small changes that save you real time. Give it a try on your next note and you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner.